Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl you already know. Okay, if you're new to this channel, thank you for coming back, thank you for sticking around. If you're old to this channel, sorry, thank you for sticking around. Okay, if you're a new person, you already know what to do. Give this video a like also, because when you do that, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people and your girl is going to appreciate that. Okay, I have my notebook here, so let's just go straight to the point. Emelamia means basically I have done it. Emelamia, I have done it. Emelamia, I have done it. Emelamia, I have done it. And we have emelaya. Emelaya, you see the difference now. Emelaya, don't do it. The other one is I have done it. This one is don't do it. Don't do it. Emelaya. And we have imereya. Imereya, did you do it? Imereya, did you do it? Imereya, did you do it? And we have agahimemeya. I'm not gonna do it. I am not going to do it. Agahimemeya. I'm not going to do it. I cannot do anything. That's even the worst part. You can't do nothing. You can't do nothing. Agahimemeya. Agahimemeya. And we have kedwihe na eme. Kedwihe na eme. What is happening? How is it happening? How is it happening with you? How is it with you? Kedwihe na eme. Kedwihe na eme. How is it happening with you? This is basically asking you yourself, how is it? How is life? How is everything around you? Do you understand? Yes. And we have kedwihe na eme ba. Kedwihe na eme ba. What is happening here? Kedwihe na eme ba. What is happening here? Why is here so peaceful? Where is here so scattered? Where is here so playful? Where is every pillowcase, every two pillows on the floor? Kedwihe na eme ba. Kedwihe na eme ba. Inabia. Inabia, are you coming? Inabia, are you coming? Inabia, are you coming? Inabia, are you coming? We also have anam abia. This is a reply to what we just said now. Anam abia. Anam abia. Anam abia. Anam abia. Yes, I am coming. I also have nyem otutenkom. Nyem otutenkom. Nyem otutenkom. Nyem otutenkom. Nyem otutenkom. Give me a second. Give me a second. Nyem otutenkom. Give me a second. Give me a second. Nyem otutenkom. We also have amam niha ga eme. I knew this was going to happen. Amam na iha ga eme. I knew this was going to happen. I'm not surprised one bit because I knew it was going to happen. Amam na iha ga eme. We also have ihe niile ọ dị mma. Ihe niile dị mma. Ihe niile dị mma. Do you understand? Ihe niile dị mma. Guys, I told you I have my notes here. Okay, that's why I'm looking down. Ihe niile dị mma. We also have biko hapum aka. We say this all the time. Biko hapum aka. Please leave me alone. Biko hapum aka. Please, 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 I beg you, leave me alone. Biko hapum aka. Biko hapum aka. Leave me alone. Okay? Can you make her? Let's do this. 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 Okay? I also have can you metopu iha? Can you metopu iha? Do you see the difference between this and the what I just said earlier? Can you metopu iha? Can you metopu iha? Let's finish this. Let's finish these things. Let's finish this particular one. Maybe we were doing it and we left it to attend to something else. And after attending to something else, it's still there. We didn't remember to continue. Do you understand? That's when the contents mostly come. Kanyi metopu iha. Do you understand? And this one is emecha kanyi pa. emecha ka anyị kpaa. Emecha ka anyị kpaa. We will talk later. We will see later. We will talk later. We will see later. But that particular time, you guys can't talk much because you're not a talking person. But it's gonna make out time so you guys can talk. Okay? Emecha ka anyị kpaa. Emecha ka anyị kpaa. Later we will talk. Emecha ka anyị kpaa. Later we will talk. Okay, guys, I hope you are subscribed already. If you have watched to this point and you did not subscribe, what are you waiting for? What is the problem? Subscription is free. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, because when you give it, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people. Please put down in the comment section what you enjoyed about this video, and also let me know what you like to be seeing from me consequently. Yeah, consequently, is that consequently or? Well, I don't know. I'll get what it really means. And of course, do have a wonderful day.